Ujjain witnesses a divine spectacle as Baba Mahakal's royal ride began with drumbeats of Kalabin. The deity emerged in a silver palanquin with all six faces revealed to thousands of devotees. A helicopter and six drones shot flowers along the 7-kilometer route. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav prayed at the temple earlier, while Minister Gautam Tetwal offered prayers at Ramghat. Armed police gave a ceremonial guard of honor. Devotees said the temple glowed like heaven. Security remained tight as a crowd thronged the street. Visual of the flower shower and palanquin procession quickly went viral on social media. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Parliament House to discuss key development goals. The CM briefed PM Modi on infrastructure, agriculture, health, education and upcoming investment plans. He also sought guidance for effective execution of state schemes. Yadav called the meeting very positive and said it would help strengthen Madhya Pradesh growth strategy. Sources say the PM appreciated ongoing projects and assured full support. The meeting is being seen as a major step ahead of upcoming policy rollout in the state. Supreme Court has postponed the hearing in the case involving Tribal Affairs Minister Kunwar Vijay Shah's controversial statement. The matter was listed for August 18, but Justice J. Suryakant bench was not present. Earlier, the court had asked the SIT to submit a status report while Shah's lawyer was expected to present an apology. A new date will now be decided. The case has drawn political and public attention, with several opposition leaders demanding strict action. Legal experts say the delay is procedural and not unusual in cases involving constitutional benches. Bhopal Congress MLA Arif Masood is in legal trouble after Madhya Pradesh High Court order an FIR against him. Masood is accused of using fake documents to secure college recognition. The court directed the Bhopal Commissioner to register the FIR within 3 days and submit a compliance report. The case has sparked concern over misuse of documents in educational institutions. Political fallout has begun, with BJP calling it a serious breach of trust. Masood has not yet responded publicly. Legal action is expected to move quickly following the court's firm instructions. BJP MP from Rewa Janardhan Mishra has stirred controversy with allegation against late Congress leader and former Assembly Speaker Srinivas Tiwari. At a public rally, Mishra claimed that fake voting was common during Tiwari's time, stating one room had 1,000 votes. He repeated the accusation multiple times, sparking sharp reaction from Congress. Party leaders called the remarks an attempt to deflect from present-day electoral issues. The comments have reignited debate over past election practices and voter list integrity. Political analysts say the issue could heat up ahead of local body polls. Chaos broke out in Chhindwara as angry farmers blocked Perasya Road over a urea fertilizer shortage. After a 3-day supply halt, distribution resumed, but poor management led to massive crowding and anger. Farmers protested by sitting on the road and shouting slogans. Traffic was blocked for hours. Police were called to restore order. Farmers warned they would continue protest unless supplies improve. Local officials promised better arrangement, but farmers say they have heard that before. The situation remained tense as Kharif season pickup and demand surges. Former BJP MP Subhash Ahuja died early Monday morning in Betul. He was 75 and had been unwell for several weeks. Ahuja represented Betul in Lok Sabha and was considered a respected voice in regional politics. Senior BJP and RSS leader expressed grief and are expected to attend his last rites. State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal will also be present. Party workers describe Ahuja's passing as a big loss for the region. Final rites will take place at Bharat Bharti, where he was closely connected. Farmers in Agar Malwa blocked in Ujjain highway demanding fair distribution of crop insurance payouts. Around 100 farmers from villages like Umaria, Devra and Kankar sat on the road shouting slogans and holding placards. They allege many were excluded from insurance coverage despite major crop losses. The protest caused long traffic jams on the busy route. Farmers say they will launch a larger agitation if payments are not released soon. Officials have acknowledged irregularities and assured corrective steps, but no timeline has been announced. The protest highlighted growing rural anger over insurance schemes. A trader was allegedly beaten by police in Kareli town. Narsingpur is sparking outrage. The incident began over a parking issue outside a bank. Locals say station in charge Priyanka Kewat ordered her team to trash trader Rajan Yadav. Shockingly, the officer reportedly recorded the beating on her phone. Furious traders gathered outside the police station and demanded action. The video is now being circulated online. Business associations have condemned the attack, calling it police brutality. Senior police officials say an internal inquiry is underway, but no suspension has been confirmed yet. Heavy rain battered Bhopal and several other Madhya Pradesh districts on Monday. In Khargone, overflowing rivers and drains flooded streets and homes. In People Jhopa, water reached up to 2.5 feet, submerging vehicles. In Barwani, the largest pond in Sindhwa block spilled over, causing flooding in nearby fields and villages. Authorities issued alert in low-lying areas and advised caution. Traffic disruptions were reported across multiple routes. The Meteorological Department has predicted continuous rainfall over the next few days, raising concern about crop damage and waterborne disease.